Good morning everyone. This is Mahalakshmi from 5th class. Today news headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will meet the BJP MPS of Bengal for breakfast on Wednesday. Israel Prime Minister tested COVID positive. His visit to India looks doubtful. West Bengal MLAs fight in assembly over Brindam. Swan is as Goa CM. Oscar Awards. Coda is the best film. Dune won 6 awards. Non-confidence motion against Imran Khan tabled in Pak National Assembly. Jagan recalls his close relations with Gautam. Partial response to trade union Bandh call. President Ramnath Kovind presents Padma Shri to Sakini Ramachandraya and Padmaja Reddy. Fan dies while watching Tribal R in AP. IPL news. Gujarat Titans beat Lucknow Super Giants by 5 wickets. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.